Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro. So you have to start with opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and then click on Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy and then scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password. Now you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes and click Delete account. And now your account is deleted, so let's recover your account. So you have to sign in into your account again. Now enter your email. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so now let's click next to restore my account. And now I have to enter my password again. And then click I agree. Now click accept. And as you can see, I'm logged into my account again, and family and parental control, is now bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.